Let's take a look at this really cute 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom house in South Oklahoma City, just off of 59th. This is in a neighborhood called the Courtyards, and these are Roush Coleman homes. So this house shares a cul-de-sac with a few other homes and of course has a 1-car garage with a nice drive up. You can see the view here from the front door. You can see your neighbors. This house is just over 1,000 square feet, and you can see that the living room has carpets on the floors, while the kitchen and the bathrooms actually have laminate. This house does have a gas stove, laminate countertops, and then there's also a really nice pantry next to the dishwasher because, of course, in these open floor plans, you may not have as much counter space. Through the utility room there on the right, you'll be able to exit onto the back patio and into the backyard. You'll see the dining room here through the kitchen in this really nice open layout. The hall bath has 1 sink, a nice tub shower combo, and then the primary bedroom has the same sort of bathroom, only it's inside the room itself. So same tub shower combo and of course the sink. The second bedroom is a little bit smaller, and then of course the hall bathroom is just right outside the door. The backyard has a privacy fence, and then next to 59th itself, it actually does have a wrought iron fence, and you can see the nice patio here. If you have any questions, please give me a call. There's more information on this particular house, including price, in the description below.